All right, goal for this week, pretty modest. Get up this chandelier, put that up there, and build this closet system. Put it in the closet.
Have some fun.
Have some fun, yeah. And then finish up this last piece of flooring. It's gonna be a small piece. My maths were off when I did the measurements originally.
Yeah, I think measure. How did I have to put some line there?
Yeah, we're gonna put up small pieces of flooring all through there. We're gonna have to cut a bunch, probably 4 pieces, but not ideal. But we're gonna make it work.
And let's still do a little bit of painting.
A little bit of painting, yeah.
I'm gonna show you something. Oh, look at the painting. What's going on there?
What's going on there? Yeah, we did a little bit more spackling just for the fun of it, so we have to touch that up.
Yes, I have to paint that.
Yeah, we got to paint that.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Build it?
Yes.
Alright, you gotta have this place open for the beach gear, right? A lot of stuff. Where's the instructions?
Where's the instructions?
Do you need instructions? Here you go, Zane. Alright, what do we need first? You gonna throw them away?
No, we need that, Mr.
Aww.
Oh.
You gonna catch it? Alright, ready? Gonna fall?
Yeah. So dusty. It's so
Dusty.
dusty.
Uh-huh.
So dusty.
Alright, you ready for the next step? Alright. Put this down. You know, hold it. Hold the camera. Show it.
No. No, why'd you get done it?
So this week we're also working on my brother's townhome. He is going to try a for sale by owner. That is how we bought our condo that we're working on right now. And it seems like a pretty straightforward process. Yeah, this week all we're going to really do is do a deep cleaning, general cleaning, do some touch-up paint, work on the landscape, and a little bit of maintenance. It's in pretty good condition, and we could probably list it as is, but we're just going to do a little touch-up work. We're also going to try a ozone generator. Try to get rid of a little bit of a pet smell that the previous owner had in here. Yeah, but it should do well. There's low inventory. It's a seller's market right now, so everybody I've been talking to says it should only last a couple weeks, but we'll see. Alright, we're going to try out this ozone generator because this unit kind of smells a little bit like pets. We're still here. I think the last owner had a dog. Not too bad, but we're going to try it out. Warning: use an unoccupied space only. Yeah, timer. That's about it, huh? Handle. Zane, it looks like you. Step 1, do some cleaning. Step 2, set timer. Step 3, stay outside. Open doors and windows to allow ventilation for at least 1 hour before return to the room. Okay. Alright, I think we're going to set it for 120. Whoa, gotta go, gotta go. Okay, after about 6 hours, see how it smells. Definitely smells different. All right, let's move it upstairs. I think it's kind of working. Another 2 hours. See how it does.